glowing and protected, I've got you. Hey everyone, it's Rebecca. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you today a brand of skincare that is geared for mature skin, women over 50, and any dry skin or even sensitive skins. Thank you so much to Prime Prometics for sponsoring this video. I wanted to share with you their entire skincare collection, how I've been using it, what its benefits are, and to let you know if it's right for you. And Prime Prometics, you may have heard me talk about them before because they make my favorite eyeliner and mascara. I have a video sharing my experience with those. I use them all the time, and I was really excited to find out that they also have skincare. And I was also excited to find out that their skincare is very much geared for mature skin, but it is entirely focused on maintaining your moisture barrier and protecting and giving all the emollients and humectants that a mature skin needs. Not only that, it is very sensitive skin friendly. So I'm gonna take you through each item and I'm gonna show you what I've done, how I use it, and what makes them unique. So the first product is the Prime Skin, the Prime Water. This is phenomenal. It's like a micellar water. It has a plastic container that has the dispenser at the top so that all you have to do is use your little microfiber pad, cotton pad, any kind of soft cloth, and press it onto the dispenser, and then it administers the product. You can use this as a makeup remover. You can use this as a waterproof eye makeup remover. You can use this as a pre-shower exfoliator. And when I say exfoliator, I mean in the gentlest of terms. This is a rinse-free formula. It leaves no residue behind. You can use it as a makeup refresh throughout the day if you wanted to reapply your makeup for an occasion. So this is phenomenal. And also I like to keep it on hand with just like a cotton tip or some kind of even a makeup brush and dip it right there to do some little cleanup. It's so refreshing. It's really lovely. And that is the Prime Water. All right, so next is called Prime Skin Indulge. And this is a cleanser. This can be your second cleanse. This can be almost like just an indulgent, lovely, cushiony 1-minute facial. It really does all the work. It gets rid of makeup, dirt, grime, and it rinses clean. It feels so good. It does not strip your moisture barrier, and it gives you that feeling of comfort so that you can do the next step in your skincare. This does not leave your skin feeling dry. It is very sensitive skin friendly, and it does have a light scent. So I know folks out there are very interested in things that are fragrance free or unscented, and I'm letting you know that that does have a slight scent. It actually, I love this scent. It's so soft and gentle. It doesn't affect me, but I do like to let people know this. So I enjoy this because it has the emollients and the humectants. Even if you avoid washing your face in the morning because you don't want to dry your skin, this is actually something you'll feel much better about after you use it, because it's going to provide a bit of moisture, a little bit of gentle exfoliation just by the sudsing and the action of your hands physically massaging your face. It'll give that circulation back. It'll help revive the complexion so that it looks great and it's ready for makeup. You know what a cleanser is. I don't have to tell you what a cleanser is. I don't have to tell you like cleanser 101. I don't know, maybe I do. Some of you though, folks that are out there that are like, I just use bar soap. I just use hand soap. I mean, that's amazing. How's that working for you? I know that my kids, because of what I do as someone who is just an enthusiast for skincare and makeup, they have a lot of products available to them as well. My kids have been doing this through their teen years. Now they're in their 20s, and even if a skin that is younger but has some sensitivity or even some acne, some pore production that's having some excess oil, some, you know, a little bit of a freak out or a breakout, these products can do wonders because it's a gentle introduction, or at least it's a way of creating a routine that provides clean skin without anything that's harsh and stripping. So if your husband decides to borrow it, if your 20-year-old son decides to borrow it, don't be surprised, because they're probably gonna love how their skin feels and looks, and that it is just kind of calm and quiet instead of red and irritated. All right, the next product is my favorite from the collection, and that is the Prime Skin Miracle Repair Serum. This serum has 9 essential hydrators. This has both humectants, hydration, emollients. It is a clear serum that can be used in conjunction with any other skincare. It goes on before your sunscreen, and it will sit under your makeup so well. It can be used at night under other skincare products. It is so beautiful and hydrating. It gives such a plump, juicy skin. I love how this feels. It has the betaine in it. I don't know if I'm saying that right because I've never really said it out loud. But it is something, not only, it has the hyaluronic acid, which we love, and that's what's going to attract the moisture from the air. But you also need ingredients that help hold the moisture to your skin, and that's what this has. And this is what I love about this product, is not only is it hydrating like we've heard many times before, but it holds it to the skin. So you're really protecting that moisture barrier. I don't know if it's just me or if it's actually kind of a thing right now, but I feel like the awareness of our moisture barrier and kind of that skin protection, that barrier repair is key, and it's more and more critical now in terms of keeping our skin from developing any issues, whether it's any kind of dermatitis, any type of rosacea breakout, especially mature skin. You've got the collagen breakdown already, any kind of aggressors that you're using on your skin. A repaired, happy skin barrier is a healthy skin barrier. And that's really what's going to keep your skin younger, longer, and protected. You want to use this in conjunction with a sunscreen. And that way you're really getting the brightening effects, you're getting the moisture effects, and it's gonna look so much better without any kind of, because we're getting kind of saggy, kind of droopy, you know, you want to do what you can. I love using this on my neck. I love using this around my eyes. I use it everywhere. I've already got it on. And then next, of course, how can we have a mature skincare line and not have an eye cream? We have an eye cream, folks. This eye cream is called the Prime Eyes Hydrate. This has 5 different peptides. This has emollients, but I will say this, what I like about it is that it feels so hydrating, so luxurious, but it doesn't ball up under your makeup. So it's very much a concealer friendly eye cream, and it just comes in a jar like so. A little goes a long way. Of course, you can wear this at night as well because it is great for hydrating and repairing the skin while you sleep, especially the delicate eye area. It feels so incredibly emollient. You want to just activate those ingredients. It's got jojoba oil, squalane, and it goes on so lightweight, so incredibly refreshing. There is no fragrance, and I just love it. It's not a heavy oil. It's not any kind of heavy barrier cream. It is just something very soft. It'll really absorb. It'll help the stubborn darkness under your eyes, any of the puffiness. It'll help hydrate any of those fine lines so you can keep them looking plump and juicy. And then, of course, anytime we've got plump and juicy under eye area, it sounds like a chicken leg. But you know what I mean? When your under eye area is properly primed and ready for makeup, your makeup will look amazing throughout the day. So if you're finding that your concealer fades, or it's not doing the trick, or it looks like it's just, maybe even it's creasing, consider your eye cream, because maybe your eye cream is either not enough, maybe you're not using an eye cream, or maybe it is too much and it's actually just kind of sitting underneath your makeup. So it's a number of things. I love to play around. You know me. I am happy to be the guinea pig. So I feel like it just like hydrated. It added just this nice layer of hydration and brightening. Yeah. Again, everything is available on their website. I have links. Thank you so much for Prime Prometics sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. They have been so great working with me, and I just truly appreciate skincare and any kind of makeup and company that focuses on us over 50, over 60, over 40, whatever we are. Our needs are, we're not that different from everyone else, but I feel like we are growing in terms of our presence, in terms of people listening to what we need. Things that are unique and geared for us versus just having to make do. So feel free, check out the links. I'm gonna put them below in the description box. And they are also a very conscientious, forward-thinking company, and proceeds from purchases go towards women in need. So I love that they're giving back to their community, to our community, and it's a win-win. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know what you think. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.